In today's weekend download, New Year's resolutions based on your specific temperament. Joining us to explain what I'm talking about, somebody who actually knows what she's talking about, Gretchen Rubin, author of the new book, The 4 Tendencies, a great book about how to make or break habits. So you break us down into 4 tendencies.
Yes.
Let's go through those. The first one is obligers.
So obligers readily meet outer expectations, but they struggle to meet inner expectations. So if you're having trouble with the New Year's resolution as an obliger, if you want to read more, join a book club. If you want to exercise more, you want to join a class, work out with a trainer, or work out with a friend who's going to be annoyed. Get that outer accountability.
My wife is an obliger. And the next category, and this is the one I'm in, questioners.
So questioners question all expectations. They'll do it if they think it makes sense. So they need to convince themselves, this resolution is really a good idea for me. It's efficient. But they often object to January 1st, which they consider to be an arbitrary date.
I do. You convinced me not to have sugar anymore, but I just did it whenever I felt like it. And what about rebels?
Rebels want to do what they want in their own way, in their own time. So typically they don't make New Year's resolutions because they don't want to bind themselves, but sometimes they like the challenge of it. Like, I'm not going to drink any alcohol for 2018, and they sort of like saying, oh, you think I can't do that? I'll show you.
And finally, upholders.
So upholders readily meet outer and inner expectations. I'm an upholder, and this is the kind of thing upholders are good at. They're good at New Year's resolutions. They keep them.
You guys ace New Year's. You ace this. Thank you very much. Big thanks again to Gretchen Rubin, author of The 4 Tendencies, and you can hear much more of my conversation with Gretchen on the 10% Happier podcast.